Hey everyone, Mark here from the windowcleaningstore.com. Today I want to show you another new product we have here for 2024. This is our new work belt. We call this the Tactical Work Belt. I just want to show you how to set it up. When you first receive the belt and you take it out of the packaging, you'll notice that the two sides of the belt buckle are joined together, but the end of the belt isn't. So what you're first going to want to do is there's this loop around here. This is for taking up the extra amount of belt that you don't need. You want to slide that down pretty close to the end there. Next, what you want to do, bring the belt around you, and assuming we're going to wear this as a typical work belt, in other words, you're going to want to be able to take it off and put it back on rather quickly. We're not actually going to feed it through the belt loops of your pants, although you can do if you want to wear this as a regular belt as well. So what you're going to do is on one side of the buckle here, you've got two slots. On the inner side, you're going to start feeding the belt through, and to quickly adjust for your size, and just pull it however tight you want it to be, and then on the other slot on the other side you'll poke the rest of the belt through, and then that little ring there that we slid over, we're going to just use that to help take up the slack. Now going forward, to take this belt off and put it back on is really quite simple. You've got these two release mechanisms here on top and bottom. You'll just press that together and it just comes apart. To put it back together, you just push the belt on, it clicks, locks on nice and tight. The belt width itself is 1.5 inches. Typical work belts are usually around 2 inches. That's why I say this one here, it's great for a work belt, but you can also wear it as a regular belt because it should go through most belt loops. So here we are set up with a couple of holsters already attached to the belt. Here we've got our side kicks, rubber, squeegee. We've got our hip hanger, our towels. Of course, you can put anything on the back side that you want. Like I said, to quickly release it, if you just don't need the belt for a little while, you would just hang that off to the side. When you need it again, it's quickly back on there, and away you go. I'm really happy with the quality of these belts. I'm so stoked to be able to supply these this year. You can really feel the difference in the quality compared to the generic window cleaning belts that a lot of window cleaning suppliers sell. The thickness of the belt, it's a little bit thicker than a typical work belt. The softness of it as well. It's, even though it's nylon, just like a regular work belt, you can feel that there's a certain softness to this. Add a lot for comfort. And of course, the easy on off and a very strong metal buckle. You can, like I said, you can really feel the quality in these. So check it out, thewindowcleaningstore.com, the new work belt. It is the Tactical Work Belt. Thanks for watching.